Another command performance by the man Oblique Seville, beating all and sundry, including the American star and Olympic champion Noah Lyles. The heavy rain was supposed to render a slow time, but Seville, he never got the memo. 9.87, he was the only one to break 10 seconds, as Lyles again finished like a runaway train to catch the other Jamaican in the race, Akeem Blake, on the line, both getting the same 10.02 seconds. And so, where does this put Jamaica in the wider 100-meter picture going into the World Championships? Just so you know, we now have the two most informed 100-meter sprinters in the world heading into Tokyo. Obviously, the races at the World Championships have to be run, and not just run, but won, for the story to end perfectly. But one thing for sure, there was absolutely nothing oblique about Seville today, as Noah Lyles faded away.